Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Thank you guys for watching my first video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the love and support that I got from my family and some friends, and just shout out to everyone who supported me through this. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, and it's finally happening. So this is my second video. And I have my audience in the background. Let's give a round of applause for them. But anyway, so this video is more about, I love my Kylie Cosmetics, but not sick and pretty today, but Blue Honey. There's a little story behind this, and if you want to know about it, just keep watching. But this is going to be on certain colors that I put together and just made this eyeshadow look. Cool girl. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about it, tell your mama, tell your cousins, tell everyone about it. Let me know what you honestly think. If you want to comment below, I'm down for any ideas. Let me know what maybe I should do different, what my next one should be. So just let me know. And if you want to see this cute little blue honey look, not really blue, but just some colors, a little sparkle, and just keep watching. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so we're going to get straight into these eyebrows. Ooh, girl, you looking rough today. It's all good though. Get them eyebrows. Get them, girl. And before anything, guys, I'm trying to catch up on Vampire Diaries, so don't mind these crazy looks I'm giving. I'm just so obsessed with it right now. And guys, do not be alarmed. I do not like Starburst, but this is the only makeup shade I have, so sorry if it's a little bit dirty, but I tend to get crazy with my makeup, obviously. And I just got this new case from the Kylie shop. Guys, get it. It's so cute. And this girl's eyebrows are on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, girl. So the eyeshadow today that I'm going to be using is the Blue Honey. This is actually a really cute palette. When I ordered with Kylie Cosmetics one time, they accidentally sent me the wrong package, so I got somebody else's package and they got my package. And so Kylie Cosmetics was really cool about it. I spoke to their customer service and told them, look, I got the wrong package, I can send it back if you want me to, I haven't opened it. They told me to keep it and that they were going to send my palette through, or the stuff that I ordered. And so I was like, what? So I got this other girl's stuff, then I got my stuff. So Kylie Cosmetics, I'm telling y'all guys, they're great with customer service. The products are freaking amazing. The price is a little bit pricey, but I mean, I like the product, so I don't really care. I splurge here once in every blue moon to buy something from her website, so that's what I'm using today. This one's a Blue Honey. I've used it a couple times, but I like to keep it in the package just so nothing breaks or anything. The colors I'm going to be using today, well, I guess when you're looking at it, whatever, it's going to be Raw or Sweet Like Honey. So bright in here. Okay, there we go. Raw or Sweet Like Honey. It's one of those colors. And then also I'm going to be using these two down here, which is Busy Bee and Honeymoon. So now I'm going to get into the Sweet Like Honey, and I'm just going to blend this out on my crease. And it's good to really, really blend that out. So just because this palette is more pigmented, so you're going to want to blend really good with this. And also hold your brush halfway, so you're not putting too much product on and it's easy to blend. Taking Busy Bee, I'm going to use the same brush that I use for Sweet Like Honey, and I'm going to put that the same where I put Sweet Like Honey on the crease, and I'm going to blend that out. Remember, hold your brush halfway so you're not putting too much color on, and just blend, blend, and blend, girl, until you cannot blend anymore. Now I'm going to be using Honeymoon. Get all that color in there. It's a little bit more darker than the other ones, kind of like a maroon color. And I'm just going to put this not on my lid, but kind of like at the end of my lid. And I'm just going to blend that out into Sweet Like Honey and Busy Bee until I get the desired look that I'm like really going for. I'm going to be getting the color Buzz Off. Oh, girl. Tap that excess off. And I'm going to be putting this all over my lid and just make that a really pretty, like, pinkish gold sparkle just all over my lid. Ooh, cute. Pose, pose, and pose. Okay, girl. Ooh, oh, oh. Now I'm going to be putting the eyeliner on to just kind of put everything together, make my eyes a little bit bigger. And this is the Tartist eyeliner, black liquid eyeliner. And voila, there are the eyebrows and the eyeshadow. Ooh. Girl, stop it. Eyeshadow on and my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup on really quickly just to show you what the finishing look will be. Once again, guys, honestly, that's the best eyeliner